Hi guys, reselling product is a profitable business model. All offline stores near us purchase products at a lower rate from the manufacturer or distributor and sells at higher price. But it is not that easy because one needs to invest in many things to set up a shop or store. These expenses include rent, cost of inventory and a lot of other things. But this startup lets you start your own online reselling business while sitting in your home without investing any money. You don't have to worry about inventory, delivery and returns. You just need to share the product with your customers and place orders on behalf of your customers. Yes, millions of people in India are doing that with the help of this startup named Meesho, and they are earning a good side income. Hello guys, this is Biswajit Nath and you're watching Startup Basket, a community for aspiring entrepreneurs. Do subscribe to our channel for regular informative content related to startup and businesses. In this video, we will discuss this Indian unicorn startup named Meesho that helped millions of individuals to earn by reselling products online. Even Facebook invested in this fast growing startup of India. So Meesho was started in 2015 by Vidit Atre and Sanjeev Banwal. Both are graduated from IIT Delhi and they decided to start their own startup. They wanted to solve a problem just like all startups do, but the co-founders had no idea what problem they will solve. They started discovering new problems. The startup created a business model that allowed customers to select any product from the stores nearby, try them on and then buy them. Just the way Swiggy connects customers with restaurants. This MVP was more applicable for products related to fashion. But very soon they realized that in fashion, speed of delivery does not matter, but variety and availability of products is what people want. The startup was working on how to improve their app and product and was meeting shop owners to understand their operations when they found one major problem. They discovered that shop owners create WhatsApp group and add their customers to it. Whenever a new product arrives, the shop owner shares it in the group so that people can come to their store and purchase it. But shop owners cannot take online orders as their primary business model was based on the traditional offline way only. Customers had to come to their physical shop to purchase the product. After that, Vidit Atre and Sanjeev Banwal changed their model and created the first version of Meesho. Meesho means my shop. They created an app that allowed sellers to list their products and share them with customers. By using Meesho, customers can place an order and pay online. The startup then improved its system and modified its business model from time to time. Now, Meesho is all about resellers. Now let's discuss fundings received by this startup. Meesho joined the Unicorn Club recently with the latest funding from SoftBank Vision Fund. The startup crossed the valuation of $2.1 billion with 6 investors including Facebook. Yes, Facebook also invested in this Indian startup. Meesho is the youngest Indian startup where Facebook invested. If you want a video on the list of Indian startups backed by Facebook, please let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on that too. With this new funding from SoftBank, the startup plans to build a single digital ecosystem for 100 million small businesses. Not only in India, but Meesho also launched its services in Indonesia recently. So we can say that the startup is expanding very well and we can expect much more growth from it. Now let's understand how does Meesho work. The current version of Meesho is very simple. It is a huge list of products that are listed by manufacturers and sellers, which anyone can resell using their own brand name. One just need to sign up to their app and they can share the product with friends, family members and groups. One can add their own profit margin with the product. When your customer wants to get a product, you can simply place an order and it will be delivered to your customer's house with your brand name. Meesho does not add their brand name anywhere. Meesho claims that more than 70% of their resellers are housewives. Their resellers share product details on WhatsApp groups and gets order from them. Meesho is empowering women by letting them earn while being at home. This is a very good thing from my perspective, as it allows housewives to earn some extra cash. Now let's understand how Meesho makes money. The number one way they make money is through commission. For every successful order, Meesho charges some commission from the seller. They also charge cancellation fees to suppliers. Meesho also handles the delivery and logistics for the suppliers. Rank push is another way through which they earn. Just like Amazon and Flipkart ads, Meesho also allows their sellers to boost the ranking of their products so that they can get more orders from resellers. If you want, you can also earn a good side income from Meesho. Here is how you can do that. First of all, sign up for the app and select a product. You will find varieties of products from clothes to kitchen accessories. Suppose you want to sell a kitchen accessory, now join Facebook groups related to food and recipe. You will find people who are involved in cooking regularly. So you can share details about the product in these groups and collect orders from them. You can add your margin with the price you are offering to your customers and place the order in Meesho app to their address. The benefit is that Meesho offers cash on delivery services, which means you will not have to collect money from your customers. Your customers will pay for the product while receiving it. I have shared the link to this app in the description of this video. If you have any questions regarding Meesho app, please write them down in the comment section. I will reply to them. And if you are already using Meesho, let me know what was your experience. If you are watching our videos for the first time, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.